Hello friends, this is Virender and welcome back to tuition.com, your online studying center where you found lots and lots of tutorials to teach you. So here is our page, what.php. I had deleted all the stuff. So now let's describe what we are going to study today. We are going to study about constants in PHP. So constants are more like you can say variables, uh, as the variables store some value in it. In the same way, the constants also stores value in them, but unlike variables, once they are defined with a value, the constant can never be changed in future. Whatever the condition would be, once they define, they will always keep that value and never take any other. So how we define constant? We define by this. We type define and then we type the constant name that we want. So let's type uh, message msg. This is going to be the name of constant, and then we type the value of the constant. So let's write Virender there is cool. So this means that I'm cool, obviously. And now I terminate it and echo msg. So first of all, one thing to note is that I haven't used dollar sign here. And why I'm not using dollar sign? Because we don't use dollar signs with constants. It's not variables, it's constant. Okay, so save it. Check that out. Render is cool, so it's working perfectly fine. Again, this is the name of constant that we want to take and that we will use, as I'm using it in here in echo. This is the value of this constant that I had given. You can change it. I'm going to change it there. So look, it worked. Also, there is another parameter, which is the third one, and by default it's false. And what that parameter is case insensitive. So that parameter says that whether the letters should be case sensitive or not. And what do I mean by case sensitive is, for example, let it be MSG, and now these are in capital letters and I'm trying to access the MSG in small letters. So let's check it out. So it hits with an error. And what's the error? Use of undefined constant MSG. So the constant MSG is undefined here. And why is this undefined? Because we don't have any MSG. We have our uh, there MSG. So that's what is defined now. Save it there. Now it works. So you can't use capital letters with small letters. So basically now it becomes strict in case of letters. So that means that now it's case sensitive. And if you want to make it case insensitive, then you should take this value as true. And what's that value? This is the value bool case insensitive. Case insensitive is by default false. So let's make it true so that you can use it even whatever the letters case should be. So save it there. Now it works. As you can see now, this is in capital letters and this is in small. So now there is no case strictness in here because you had make the case insensitive to true, and that's how you use your constants. Constants are very useful things in PHP programs, and they are used where you don't want your values to be changed accidentally by the programs or loops or functions. Okay, so I think that's it for the video, and in the next video we will be covering something else. So thank you and I'll see you later. Bye.